Hey everyone, it's Brett from Duluth Pack here to talk to you today about our drawstring backpack. It looks a lot different from our other Duluth Pack backpack designs. This is just a simple cinch bag. It is a pouch style bag and it's a very simple, easy to use design that's very versatile. So you can see it has these awesome cinch cords. They're a leather material. They're awesome. Great and durable. They look awesome. They also have these great clips so that when you pull this tight and it cinches the top of your bag, you can clip it in place so it's not going to slip back open. This is a very simple bag. That is about all there is for the structure of it, but that gives it many different uses. For one, this is an excellent backpack for smaller kids. They're not going to have to figure out what zipper pockets are open, what are closed, and leave things spilling out on the school bus on the way to school and on the way home. It's just a quick pull tight. Everything's going to be kept close and together. But also, this is a great bag to use when you go to the beach. It is a perfect size to fit a beach towel, some sandals, and maybe a change of clothes. And it also is a great bag for using as an emergency roadside kit in your car, which is what I do. For someone who wants to get a flare, some first aid equipment, and some other safety supplies into their car, this is excellent because it's easy to open in an emergency, and because it is a simple design, it rolls with excess space into a nice, tight, convenient pouch. And this actually can be put in your car underneath the seats, in the awkward spaces in the trunk. This actually works for flares in boats as well, as you can fit it into the small spaces. You're going to keep everything together and easy to find in case of an emergency. It also fits in other Duluth Pack bags very easily for that same reason. You can fold this down, compress it nicely with whatever you need to fit in there, and put it in a pocket of a different Duluth Pack bag. As always, our products are proudly made in the USA. They feature a lifetime guarantee on craftsmanship and hardware as well. So thanks for tuning in about our drawstring backpack, and I can't wait to share something else with you next time.